What's up, guys? When you can see in the background, yes, over there, you know.
Welcome back
there, guys.
to another Delpat family video.
Yep, of course. As you all know, guys, we are constructing a new Airbnb apartment. Hello, hello.
Where is he?
I don't even. Oh, it's probably through the kitchen window on the other side there. Yeah, so as you all know, we're constructing a new Airbnb apartment and we're very excited.
Yes.
You see me? So me actually there today on the job with Everton, right? Yeah, so I'm there with him today.
And I was passing through.
Yeah, man. So
come to see what he's up to, right? Come to see what kind of artwork him up here doing.
Yeah, man. Guys, if you don't want to keep up to date with this project, you see me? Guys, this is what we do over here. We do a lot of real estate investing, talk, you see me, I say, and them things they say. If you don't want to keep up to date with us, don't forget to subscribe, alright? 50K by me, 50K subscribers by me.
If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe.
Yeah, man.
Alright, and tell a friend, share our videos with a friend. Now, this is a new aspect of our life that we're going into.
And we are bringing it, we're showing you guys.
As usual.
We're showing you guys.
As usual, you know. Most persons at some point in your life, you're going to want to do this or have a need to do this.
Correct.
So we're just giving you guys, sharing
like literally first-hand experience.
Yes. Alright. Can't get it better than this.
Yeah, guys. So come with us.
Hey y'all, what people, come to visit man. He's working on his construction site and I brought him lunch and his hat. Alright, so let's see what he's doing. Yeah, so there they are, guys, hard at work. God, we're walking a bit weird. Ta-da!
Food coming over.
Hard-working Jamaican men, right?
Yeah.
How is it going, babe?
You alright, man?
Your first day on the construction site?
Our first day?
Well, you've been around helping out, but this is the longest you've been? I don't know.
Yeah.
Guys, Adrian...
He was second sick, you know, guys, so...
Yeah.
May I help him out, you see?
Oh, drink too much.
So Adrian has been up here. Adrian has been up here, you know. Getting around, you know. Learning a few things here and there. Right? Asking questions when he needs to. So we have our sand. Alright. And we have our gravel. And we have blocks over there and some more over there so too. And we have our workmen on site working. I wonder how much Adrian charge per day. Watch your step. You have to watch your step, you know, because these will juke you up. So this is where we are now, guys. So the steels are going in down bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that properly? Let me see from this angle. So yeah, it's looking something like that. And our columns, this is our L, so our L-shaped columns, and our steel thingy is going up. I don't know all this about here. Everything can let you know, but the place I look up. You see it? Place I look up. So you guys are hard at work today.
Yeah.
Careful, baby. Nice or not? Oh yeah, for big racing feet in the car, water says some part of the world right now is cold. Freezing.
I put on a couple shade, you know.
Yeah, I can see you.
Couple shade darker.
Oh, I brought your hat, baby.
Oh.
I brought your hat.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is Jaden's favorite hat.
Jaden has a pure hat. Yeah.
So what are you guys doing now?
We just continue put up the vertical bar them.
And this is the reason why I tell Jaden say I don't trust you up here no more. Because these things are coming up and I don't want any mishaps. So yeah. So things are going, things are going, things are going. Okay guys, so I'm gonna run out for a bit and leave these men to work. I'm gonna carry Jaden and Mandy on the road and come back. I'm gonna drop them off and come back. Yes, so guys, Jaden gonna get a haircut. Mandy's gonna see to that. What kind of haircut you want, Jaden?
A fade.
I want a fade.
A fade. He loves fade.
Yeah. So Jaden off recently. Probably not off recently, but probably like a couple months now. He's very into his haircuts and he wants it to be a specific way. Somebody room me? He wants it to be a specific way. So Jaden wants to go a barber or get him things started up because
You know, I'm a ballet, guys.
him not in the soldier man and the policeman haircut. Him not in that. He want him fade up and he might talk about different styles and
Yeah.
Jaden not turn man power. Yeah. Okay. Right, Jaden? So Jaden is all into his hairstyle. I remember one day I tell him to give him my haircut. Jaden's like, no. No.
But remember when they
Because
trim him,
you
they
just-
trim him good too, actually, too, you know?
Yeah, but I just give my all in one. So he said, but if you want something else, you could have tell me.
Could have asked.
I could have guessed something else. But Jaden want to go in professional barber, I'll get him things started out. One them friend?
I did actually like it.
You did like it?
Oh, okay. I don't remember say I like it.
Oh. Alright guys, enjoy yourself.
Yeah. See you when we come back, guys.
Alright Jaden, we'll see what your hair looks like when you come back, right?
Yes.
Lunchtime. This is it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Some nice chicken foot soup, you see me?
Yeah.
My bowl is the biggest.
You drink your soup already?
Yeah.
Eh?
Bird do pie Everton. Say what blessing Everton? Everton? You said the bird had do the pan him our blessing?
Blessing.
Okay. You need some work shoes, man.
I show my dirty foot on YouTube.
This is no proper attire for work. Skylark, you come to Skylark on the work. Dirty people. So Mr. Everton, the steel where I run across, there's something them. This steel running across. It doesn't stabilize them. Oh, so it not swing all over the place. Oh. Oh, and then the steel them, some steel taller than some. Like let me show you guys what I'm talking about. There's a reason.
When I see them all shorter.
Oh, so a window go right there, so.
Yeah, and you see them when they get to column, you cut them shorter.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, say you have a problem to provide half a blood.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Like right here, so be the doorway. Right here, so?
Right here, so, right here, so.
Turn around. Right here, so.
Oh, right here, so. Oh, right here, so it's the doorway. So the stairs are short. I learn a thing or two, guys. I'm learning, alright? So at the end of this, I'm gonna be y'all foreman, woman. Yeah, next time. Notice, like, you see the question that I come to you, more like other person's gonna have those same questions too.
Okay.
So yeah. So after you finish putting up all them steel work here, what else is next?
They want to come and look at the seal.
Oh, so that's the examination after this.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so the next step in our process when it comes to the municipal authorities, or the parish councils is basically to come and inspect the foundation and the steel work. So they have to come and approve that, make sure that everything is on the up and up, because them don't want. It is what?
Steel work and the depth of the foundation.
The steel work and the depth. So you have to look at the height of it, how deep it is. Yeah, because we have to have good buildings, so that when earthquake come, we don't have no buildings falling on people. You know? Yeah. I'm gonna ask a question a while ago, and I think that you guys need to hear it too. So, this squad, I asked Everton, how we can get a wall to lean.
Foundation to lean.
So, instead the foundation lean.
That's one problem. That's the only reason.
Yeah.
If the foundation accurate, everything have accurate come up.
Yeah.
Who are on the block, can run block. You understand? And it's a simple thing to do. From your line of the building square, everything goes to square come right up. You understand? When I say you can't maybe out a 1/2 inch or something, you understand? But 1/2 inch not bad, but not over that. You understand? Yeah. It's not correct come right up.
Yeah. So Adrian was saying that the steel of a center, like the middle one, at the after line go all the way down with the columns. And if you notice Everton have them something here. You about him something where him wall go start and him marker go right across, go right down the so, and everything just see Everton stop and go consult him plan, you know? Consult him drawing for see what going on the so.
That's my guideline.
Yeah. Make sure say good.
Every steel when put in, it make sure say the location, whether door over doorway or over window, whatever. So him cut the steel them accordingly. So him no put up no bunch of steel and then after them have to come back and cut steel.
Waste of time.
Waste of time.
Waste of time.
So cut them before.
Yeah.
Because sometimes if you just cut 5 pieces of steel, end up because you just put up long steel, you just waste natural energy. So if I 5 pieces of steel, just cut 5 pieces of steel.
The right height and done.
Yeah.
You guys, so they are installing the steel, and this, let me show you where we are now. So right where I am now, we're in bedroom number 1. We're in bedroom number 1, and that's the living room, dining room, kitchen right over there. So, and this is the bathroom for bedroom number 1. So this is the doorway. So as Everton said, these steels are short because this is a doorway. You're gonna have to walk over. So those steels are short. This is the entrance to the bathroom as well. So we have to walk over, so the steel is short there, where the steel is tall here. So these cross steels, he said, because I asked him about that, he said that these cross steels are going to move. They're just to stabilize the steel into that they're not swinging all over the place. They're not doing nobody in them eye. You just cut nobody belly when they move. Yeah.
Yeah, man. By the way, guys, I've seen in the comments so far you guys asking about, you know, Everton contact, but we can't share that right now. You see me, because there will be a lot of distraction, a lot of phone calls. We know the D squad them set up, you know, man.
Yeah.
You see me, anytime anybody will recommend, them call them up. So later on we'll get the phone number, guys. Don't worry on yourself. So right now.
And Everton will be at your disposal.
Yeah, man. So
to use him, right, Everton?
Yeah, man. So right now Everton are focused on get the thing up and running. You see me? A little more you can get the contact.
And Everton is hard at work, I can tell you guys. Like, Everton come and see what's about him work.
Yeah.
Alright, to make like a change right here, so right?
Yeah.
Alright, on the drawing, you should say you post up a piece of wall. Supposed to come right here. So
Yeah.
one shot door here, and say space where this door take up.
Forgot, yeah, in. We not get that. Yeah.
The bathroom.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Yeah, so just a little minor changes.
Just adjust.
Minor adjustment.
Yeah.
Because to be honest, based on the space what we did have to work with, the architect kind of did struggle. Yeah, so him get it to us basically how him feel mind I tell him, but you have more expertise on the ground right here, so you can
Well, for me to get the drawing, I can make adjustment.
Yes.
You know, say it's not gonna really affect
The integrity of the building
yeah,
and the strength.
And the thing that the people who want to come examine it,
Yeah.
they don't find a problem.
Yes.
Yeah, find a problem with it, well, you're alright.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah man, definitely.
So this is the door to come into the bathroom. Yeah, because this bathroom is like shared to the bedroom and the living area behind me right here. So
So anybody come visit you now, come in the bedroom,
yeah.
you use the bathroom and support. You have a outside bathroom inside the house.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Where people can just come in and pass away and go use the bathroom.
Yeah.
And come back out. Somebody not walk in the bedroom.
Yep. Yep.
And the little boy.
Come in, knows something like it. Just take your time, just take your time.
Hey, what's that? With the curve?
No, but look on the sharp piece. So sharp piece down there, sir. Yeah, the sharp piece. Yeah. What was that?
68.
68?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next sharp piece down.
48. You want 45? You want a 45? And that one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. For me and my youths. So we know what kind of slippers this my man come for working, I know.
You never plan to. Never plan to. Just come and walk up in the road.
All them you want?
Yeah, so them here I go under the doorway. Alright? Yeah. I have them up there, so. Yeah.
Yeah guys, so them there I go like this, gonna be set like that.
You want help?
Yeah, just one and two.
Alright. This is some long one here.
Long one, okay.
Yeah, you want the round there, so.
Yeah, that one.
Hard at work. Careful. Whoa. Oh, so the corner, this your shape up right so.
Yeah.
So how you learn all this, Mr. Everton?
Yeah, it's a our someone teach my trade here. Yeah.
Years ago?
Yeah, couple years away.
Couple years.
Well.
I'm more than couple. From me and youth, Everton a below us on his own. So him not look all little guys, but him have look a age span him, you know.
Yeah, we're messing on. I'm using stone. I have to make sure say two seal them line up. Understand? The one in the ground, the one we're above it.
Yeah.
So like I'm dropping stone on and this one go lick the steel with the below. Most of the thing line up. So what I'm gonna do, I tie the two and I seal them.
Yeah.
I drop on and I go sand.
Hold it.
Yeah, that can get hold it properly.
Okay,
This steel here
okay.
now, you know, just to keep the vertical one steady. So when the guys them are throwing the concrete for the foundation, they are straight.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is just to hold the steel together, hold them firm.
It's a valuable skill you learn, man, Mr. Everton.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. These are skills that could last you a lifetime. Like, them skills here no go away. Like, you don't just lose these, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And it's valuable. Yeah.
And don't put on the thing. Man, come and look at that, take some picture.
Oh, you're decking.
Yeah, because I'm moving. Instead of man cut that design, the ceiling, you have just use that board or a board and design.
Okay.
So, all of the just see them plain.
Yeah.
About the design. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Yes, Everton, I believe owner house, you know, man. We went over there and we saw his home.
In mansion.
And yes.
Ambition important.
And left out the whole of a woman them.
Yeah.
Any idea? Well, the whole of a woman make no sense.
Look for one that makes
When they
sense.
broke tomorrow, man, they done broken.
Yeah.
The man gone. And someone's got to look somebody else who can find it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, so it just come down to, I know what you earn, you know, is what you invest, is what you save, you understand? So when you work hard over the years and earn all of the big money, you have to put the money to good use, right? And that's what we are doing here too. Yeah.
What I liked about it is
And that what they are doing too, we're earning, but we're not looking to spend it all. We are looking to invest for the future.
yeah.
You understand?
And what I liked about that too is so we like to see what people's work. You know, want to see your work, show me what you're doing, some what you have done. And AJ knew him from a long time, as you hear him say, like he saw him do work. So he knew him from that aspect. But then I didn't know him. So when we actually went to see him, he could look, he could show me like, hey, I built this. I did all this. And he was able to have something that you can physically show, this is me, this is my talent, this is what I can do. So no matter what happens, you know, if you carry them go to somebody else, yeah, they cannot say, hey, come here, so for all this. You know what I mean? I did that.
True.
Yeah.
So true, so true. Yeah, so, I mean, oh, the long steel, no? Or same short one? Long one.
Yes, work it, baby. Work it. Work it. It's a different aspect of Adrian that I've never seen before. Learn the trade, yeah, babe. Learn the trade, babe.
Yeah.
And the job training. Yes, one more seed. And the seeds are hooked at the bottom.
Yeah, and them tie on down there. Yeah. Yeah, man. So,
We should turn the other way.
so we found this is the plan. Alright guys, so this is the plan. Alright, basically set up to how we are the building is positioned, right?
Right here.
Yes, that's where we are right now. And yeah, so this door here leads you to where Everton is, right over there.
Yeah, guys, so stay tuned for all the progression, alright? We're going to show you how everything is going on. We're going to show you how everything is developing and shaping out. And listen, I'm excited because I'm learning a lot just from simply being here. Like, I've seen people do construction before, but I've never actually taken into consideration all the details that are done here. So,
Just stay tuned, guys. Subscribe to follow the journey, alright? Very, very exciting. So, yeah, man, I said it, guys.
So guys, road to 50k by May. Alright, you guys can get it done. If you don't subscribe yet, come on, hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell. Settings should be and all that. That's like y'all can say it to me when I'm saying it now.
Yeah.
Alright.